An unidentified driver in a speeding trailer carrying cement to DR Congo rammed headlong into the side barriers leading up to Kasese airfield, knocking 3 to death this morning. The trailer registration number UAQ662 was sent into the Democratic Republic of Congo, and according to police, the driver who upon causing the accident took off for his life was sleeping. The accident occurred at 7 a.m, claiming 2 lives on spot as the other victims died in hospital, while the injured also remain admitted in Kilembe Hospital in critical condition. The deceased were identified as Eres Mbamboa, 35-year-old resident of Saruti in Kasese town, Boniface Black, 37 years, from Nyakasanga, and 19-year-old Joseph Chajimera. According to Kasese District Police Commander Michael Musana, the accident was as a result of carelessness of the driver.